You're here to know about the future of coding languages. But let me ask you something. Do you think tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Meta really need coders in a world dominated by AI? With AI becoming more advanced every day, here's the next big question. Should you be focusing on learning to code, or should you dive straight into AI? And finally, which coding language will dominate the future? What if I told you that there isn't just one answer to these questions? Today, we are going to explore the strengths and future potential of several key programming languages, and then we'll reveal which one stands out as the ultimate tool for the future. Let's quickly look at some of the key programming languages and their roles in a world increasingly influenced by AI. JavaScript, essential for web development but limited in AI. Java, a powerhouse in enterprise system but not the first choice for AI. C++, great for performance critical tasks but less accessible for AI. R, excellent for data science but more specialized. But what if I told you there's one language that combines the strength of all these languages and goes even further? A language that's not only powerful for AI but also excels in web development, automation, and data science. This language is simple enough for beginners yet powerful enough for experts. The language I am talking about is Python. AI and machine learning. Python is the top choice of working with AI and machine learning. With libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, developers are creating smarter systems that can learn, adapt, and make predictions. This is transforming industries like healthcare and finance. Data science. Python has become the foundation of data science. With tools like Pandas and NumPy, it helps data scientists analyze large amounts of data to make smart decisions. Companies use Python to gain insights and shape their business strategies. Web development. Python stands out in web development with frameworks like Django and Flask. These tools make it fast and easy to build strong, scalable websites. Major companies like Instagram, Spotify, and Pinterest use Python for their backend systems. Automation. Whether you are automating simple tasks or complex processes, Python is the best tool. It's easy to use and powerful, making it perfect for saving time and effort by automating repetitive tasks. If you're excited about Python, check out our From Zero to Hero, the complete Python development masterclass. Use the code PythonHubSub to get 25% off and take your skills to the next level. Don't miss out on this chance to advance your career. Looking ahead, Python's role is not only going to get bigger, here's why. Future technologies. As we advance into new technologies like quantum computing, blockchain, and more advanced AI, Python's flexibility and wide range of tools make it perfectly suited to handle these challenges. Python is already being used in cutting-edge research like quantum computing, and its simplicity makes it great for working with blockchain technology. Community and support. One of Python's biggest strengths is its community. Python developers are always creating new libraries, tools, and resources that make the language even more powerful. Whether you need help with a project or want to explore new ways to use Python, the community is here to support you. This strong community is a big reason why Python will continue to be a major player in the future. Versatility. Python's versatility is unmatched. It's not just for web development or data science. Python is used in everything from game development to robotics, making it ultimate all-rounder in the programming world. The best part, Python's simplicity ensures that even as it continues to evolve, it will remain accessible to new learners while providing the depth and power that experienced developers need. So, is Python the coding language of the future? Absolutely. Python's combination of simplicity, versatility, and a strong community makes it perfect language for both today and tomorrow. Whether you're looking to start your coding journey or you're aiming to stay ahead in your career, Python is the language that will help you achieve your goals. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in learning Python. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tips, tutorials, and insights from Python Hub. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.